Ready? What's up, everybody? Thank you for watching I Love I. I'm Sonny, and today I'm here with my man PK.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
And we're in Chinatown, and we're checking out Little Jewel of New Orleans. So, tell us about this spot, PK.
It's actually like a spot that's more catered towards like the po' boys and the different stuff that New Orleans has to offer. Gumbo. I mean, like, trust me when I say this place is the best po' boy and gumbo you can get in California.
Let's go check it out. So this is PK.
What's going on, guys? How you doing?
He's showing us around LA and his top spots that he wants to check out. So he brought us over here. This spot is awesome.
It's my favorite, top 10 easily. I mean, hands down, one of the best. I mean, easily the best po' boys in California.
Spot called Little Jewel of New Orleans. I've lived in LA most of my life, and I've never heard of this spot. So this spot's supposed to have like the best po' boys. Dude, the menu is pretty extensive.
Fire.
They have everything you can possibly think. All po' boys, everything from this animal of the spectrum down to this animal spectrum. They got po' boys for everything. And they're in the heart of Chinatown. Who would have knew?
Just to give you an idea, we got some beignets. Again, if you're looking for like the real New Orleans experience without going to New Orleans, this is the spot to go to. Again, this is my top 10 favorite spot in Los Angeles, so if this is around you, near you, or not even near you and you want to come get a po' boy, come get it. Trust me, it's the best.
So if you like po' boys, if you don't know what po' boys is, it's pretty much like a sub almost. I don't know if I got that, some dude from like New Orleans is gonna bash the hell out of this freaking video. But I mean, it's pretty much like a sub. They got a fried animal in some sort of French baguette, it looks like.
Yeah, I mean, I got the shrimp. The shrimp looks
it's got
quite
coleslaw in it.
delicious.
This one's fried catfish.
And that's the catfish right there.
Catfish.
So.
And they got gumbo, dog. Anytime they got gumbo, you gotta do it. And it's like seafood. Look at this thing. It's awesome. Ooh. But yeah, we came out to try it out. I can't talk anymore. I'm gonna eat this.
Yeah, we gotta eat this, right? Let's get this going. Oh man.
Too much talking. Not enough action.
Baby,
so this is cool because they like to use masking tape. They make you work for your food over here.
Oh yeah. And mine's ready coming apart, but I don't mind.
Technical difficulties. Not bad. There we go. So I don't have expert level jaws like Neil does or Nate does. I can't fit this whole sub in my mouth. And this dude can't even. One shot. But it's good. Everything works well together, man. You get the crunch of the pickle, the cabbage from the coleslaw, and that crunch from the deep fried catfish.
And the bread's amazing,
yeah.
right? With like whatever the mayo, the slaw, whatever it is.
So good.
Absolutely delicious.
So good.
I mean, as you can tell, I can barely talk right now. I mean, they're speechless on how good it is. I mean,
it's really, really good. It's got a little spice to it. You can taste it. It's got like that, look at that Old Bay seasoning in it.
They look similar. I mean,
yeah.
You can tell yours is more darker meat. This is more like whiter meat because it's shrimp,
but it's good. The crunch. I really want to try this gumbo, man. I'm just gonna. They give you rice with your gumbo, as they should.
Don't forget about the cornbread.
And they give you cornbread.
Yeah, don't forget about that cornbread.
So, they give you cornbread. Not gonna touch that right now. I really want to try this gumbo.
Sorry, I gotta take another bite. This is just too delicious.
Do it. So this is like a seafood gumbo. It's got crawfish, crab, sausages in there, I think. Yep. And you got more crab, I think. Yeah, crab.
More crab. Yep.
It's a seafood galore. I just want to try this. Get some rice up in here. All right.
That's the right base right there. Now you guys add some hot sauce.
You got the crystal hot sauce over here.
Exactly.
You gotta
just pour it on there. That's right.
Dude. That's so money. This gumbo's
I'm excited
bomb.
for you right now. Just looking at it, it's just like holy moly.
Dude, this gumbo
There we
is
go. We got
bomb.
some gumbo. We got the shrimp. We got the catfish. The cornbread. We got the beignets. I mean, honestly, this couldn't have been a better time to come and eat it on a pretty cold, rainy day, right? Jeez.
My God, that's so good, dude. Want to try it?
I do actually.
Dude, they got okra in there. I didn't even taste the okra, and they just got all slimy. No homo. Oh, so good.
Gotta use that spoon if you don't mind.
Oh yeah, sure. Neil's gonna love this. It's good, dude. The gumbo's awesome. Here, watch, try it, dog.
Yeah, yeah.
Go ahead and like take a scoop of the whatever's in there.
It's like it feels like there's lobster in there, but it's not. It's like crab, huh?
It's crab.
Yeah, it's crab.
Oh my God, that's
So
amazing.
you gotta use it like a tortilla bread, you know? If it falls apart, just use it as a tortilla
So
bread.
good, dog. Dude, this is bomb, man. So, I'm taking another bite of this.
Ooh.
So this place, I don't know if it gets packed. I've never really like seen this place packed. Shit. And
A lot of people get it to go. That's the most of the
They do?
thing. They come over here, they come get it to go because, again, I mean, where are you gonna get a po' boy like this? Anywhere
but the menu's big, man. It's front and back of like it's not even an 8x11. It's like an 8x32 paper.
It's a long piece of pink.
Yeah,
Okay.
because if you come here and you're on something, bro, you look at that board, game over. You just stuck there. That board, the menu,
The board is
like is confusing if you look at the board
You gotta look at the
because
pink
it's
thing.
super colorful. You gotta go to like the cashier and grab like the paper menu,
Exactly.
so you don't get so confused.
Make sure to go to the counter too.
Yeah.
Don't go to unless you do the pickup over here.
And they got all sorts of like sodas and drinks that you can order over here. They got stuff that like I've never seen before, but it's too basic, so I just got a Sprite.
Yeah, I mean, same here. I got a Coke.
Mexican
but
Sprite, that
it's
is.
a full market. Don't forget that. It's a
Yeah.
full New Orleans style market. I mean, you're gonna get all the New Orleans style like spices and stuff over here, but again, you're coming here for the food, not for
Yeah,
the market.
we're gonna list all the information about this spot in the description down below. You guys gotta come check this place out. This place looks amazing, and it's got all this like rustic feel. Got wood. Look at this. The chairs look like they're gonna fall apart on you. The place is amazing, man. It gives you that feel. We're gonna have some beignets for you right now. We're still super hungry, dog. All right, I'll take one. You're gonna ask me twice. So if you don't know what a beignet is, it's pretty much
It's like a hollow donut.
it's like a
baby.
hollow donut. It's like a pillow, and they dust it with this like amazing sugar of cocaine. That's how they get them to come back over here. They dust it with some cocaine.
That is. That's
You don't know about me, Joe Rogan. I do crack.
Oh man,
Oh, it's so good.
I'm gonna have to take one more bite though.
That's straight up crack.
Look at this thing.
I don't know if I should lick this or snort it.
Damn. Went everywhere, but. Fire.
Yeah, man, look at that. It was so good.
So good, right? I mean, again, that menu, you have the options. You want some
You
beef,
have,
you want
dude, like,
chicken, you want shrimp, you
You're
want
gonna
seafood.
you need at least a good solid 15 minutes to look through the menu because they have like 10 different po' boys,
Ooh.
like literally 10 different po' boys.
I mean, just
And they also got a bunch of they got shrimp. The shrimp looks
shrimp,
awesome.
Dude. Look how big that thing is, and look how many it comes with. I didn't even finish the whole thing yet. Look at
They
this.
got gumbo.
Just keeps going. Just keeps going. Maybe a little bit messy, but
It does get messy, especially when you got that sprinkled all over the top of beignets.
hey, Pablo Escobar never had a problem with it, right?
Hey man, no wonder you people love beignets.
Right.
But it's so good, man. You guys gotta check this place out. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description down below. Come check them out. I want to say thank you to PK for taking us here.
Thank
Spot is
you.
amazing.
Appreciate that.
Really loved it. And make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button,
Right below.
so you can watch more videos just like this one. And make sure you share this with your family and friends, because they'll love it. And we'll catch you on the next one.
See you guys later.
Peace.